There are many environments within the health, defense and electronics manufacture where the presence of static electricity could damage or have significant adverse effects on electronic components or personnel. Stopgap F57 conductive adhesive is a specifically formulated acrylic adhesive which contains fibres to aid the dissipation of static electricity from a specialist floor covering to a suitable earth circuit. This brief video will show one method where static electricity is allowed to pass through the conductive floor covering and adhesive to a copper tape circuit. Having first prepared the subfloor to the correct specification, copper tape is applied directly to the smoothing underlayment as recommended by the tape manufacturer. Styccobond F57 is then applied to the taped subfloor using a 2mm by 6mm V-notch trowel held at an angle of 60 degrees. Allow the adhesive to dry to a firm tack and, following the floor covering manufacturer's recommendations, lay the floor covering into the adhesive and press firmly from the center outwards. Roll with a 68 kg roller to maintain good overall contact.